show you how you can create campaigns based on top of the search product page. How can you make the campaign show for top of the search? So if I just go in the campaign settings, you can only do it by going to the campaign settings, or if you're creating a campaign through bulk sheets. So go to this campaign settings. It is after the campaign is created. When you're creating new campaign, this same option shows there. So here you see this position where it is set to 900%. So for this campaign, the default bid or the keyword bid is set to 1 rupees. And I have increased the top of the search to 900%. That means if my bid is 1 rupees, Amazon is going to make it increase 900%. That means it will be 10 rupees. So now, though my bid is 1 rupees, Amazon is going to think that, okay, he is actually willing to get 900% more, willing to pay 900% more. So he is very determined for this position. Whereas for product page, it is set at 0. That means product page, there will be no increase in the keyword bid. If the keyword bid is 1 rupees, it will be shown as 1 rupees only. And you must have known for top of the search, it is the most expensive bids and the cost per click is most expensive. You are not going to see any product page impressions, hardly few, because 1 rupees you are not going to get so many impressions, at least during this period of time in 2021. We can get it in 2017, 2018, but not in 2021. That is how you can influence it. And if you want to influence the product page, just make it 0, make it 400 or 500%. We start with 400%, then we slowly increase if we are not getting that much impressions. But we optimize when you are creating 50-60 campaigns. It is hard for you to optimize by going in campaign settings. For that, you can just download the bulk operation file and sort by placements in the campaign campaign type, and then you can just increase or decrease the bids, okay, based on the how much clicks it is getting, how much sales you have got, that way. Now let me show you the report that I was talking about. So the report, you have to just go to create report, then it would be placement report, then you can select the date range, okay, as much possible as you can, as longer possible as you can, just set it, okay. Now it is best if you can do it for 60 days or 30 days, but if you got the option for more, just do it. Then you can just run the report. I have already created the report and downloaded the report. Okay, the report will come here. I have already downloaded the report. Let me show you the report, how it looks like. Now I have hidden the campaign name and the portfolio name. So now here you can see all the placements are there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sort and add some filter in it, okay. I'm going to show you a few things here, okay. So if you just see, let's first select few placements, okay. First select the top of the search. I want to show you something. And let's click on Z2A in the cost per click. See the amount you are spending per click in top of the search. It is the most expensive, okay. I'm not considering the brand ads here, okay. This is for sponsored products. And if you just look back at the ACOS, the ACOS will be also high here. The ACOS is also a little bit high here, right? But these are generally for launch stages, and slowly it is going to decrease with organic ranks. Now if I just go and show you reference of the rest of the search, you will understand how much is the difference. Now product page and top of the search, the kind of cost per click are similar. A little bit difference will be there, but kind of similar. So this is the cost per click for rest of the search, which is very low, right? And even if you look at the ACOS also, it will be very low. It is not same as, you can see this ACOS is so less. These are ACOS. And how can you optimize now? Now obviously you can't optimize rest of the search, but we are testing rest of the search for automatic placements and we are getting good results. We haven't tested for sponsored products, but we are doing it in the future shortly. So select all, and then just sort by ACOS and total orders. Then you can choose, okay, whichever campaign have given you low ACOS with high sales. Obviously you must be having a threshold limit that, okay, 30% ACOS is higher for me. If the campaign has 30% or higher, I'm going to optimize it. Now you're not going to optimize it from here. You have to download the bulk operation to optimize it. Right now our motive is to find out the best performing placements So how will you do it? You can just sort by ACOS, filter by condition. Let's first apply, it is a percentage. Filter by condition, anything that is less than 30%. So less than 30%, then what we are going to show, we are going to 70 total sales, let's do it Z to A. So now you can actually see this, that okay, this campaign has got most sales from product page placements, then which one got from rest of the search, and then it's up to you. If the campaign is using single keyword, then you can optimize that campaign only. But if that campaign has 4 to 5 keywords, then what I will suggest is take the best performing keyword that have got the most sales. You can go in the campaign to see that, or just download the search term report and side by side compare that this campaign, like in search term, which keyword is responsible for this campaign to get the most sales. Copy that keyword and create product page placement optimized campaign or top of the search optimized campaign. So you will be putting the bid for that keyword 1 rupees and changing the campaign placement stats to 400%, then slowly increase to 500%, 600%, 700% to 900% until you get a good amount of impressions. So this is how you are going to use this type of things.